everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this problem, we're told to create a stem and leaf plot for the data below representing the heights of students in a class in centimeters. When we create stem and leaf plots for two-digit numbers, the first digit is the stem and the second digit is the leaf. This time, because we have 3, the first 2 are going to be the stem and the last one is going to be the leaf. So we can create our table. And now we need to find all of the possible stems in this data set. So we have 16 and 17 and 15 and 18. There are no other ones. Now all we have to do is go through this entire data set and find the last digit of each number and put it in the corresponding stem. So this one is 8 for 16, this one is 5 for 17, 15 and 5, 16 and 6, 16 and 2, 17 and 8, 18 and 0, 17 and 2, 15 and 9, 16 and 3, 17 and 9, 18 and 1, 16 and 4, 15 and 9, and 17 and 3. So this is our stem and leaf plot. We can see that there are data clusters right here, so around 160 to 179 is where the mean is, so the average height will be probably around here in this class. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.